Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Allen. I'm a star stylist with Stella and Dot. You've had the chance to get to know me a bit over the last several days through my posts in our Facebook group, and I'm so looking forward to the chance to get to know you through your posts as we have this 30-minute 9 to 9:30 session together. I'm going to really focus our time today around our customized engravables. They are that core essential accessory that you wear all the time. It's that layer you never take off, and there's just so many wonderful things that you can do to create a personalized individual piece. I'm wearing our engravable gold bar necklace with my anniversary date, which reminds me it's right around the corner. I need to find a gift for my husband as well, and our engravables make great gifts for the women in your life as well. I'm seeing so many unique, wonderful things that customers are choosing to engrave on their necklaces. Things like their children's names, a favorite Bible verse, a word that inspires them, the longitude and latitude of where they got married or the city that they lived in. So many fun, amazing things that you can do with our customized engravable pieces. They also look great layered with other things. And we'll talk a little bit about finishing the look with our engravables. I'm wearing the Geopop pendant, which adds just a great pop of color to all of the neutrals that I'm seeing on the runway for fall, including creams and a lot of black and white. There's multiple ways that you can wear this pendant as well. Stella and Dot is known for its versatility and lots of different ways to wear things. When you're thinking about engravables and gifts as well, I gifted the silver engravable bar to my 7-year-old Audrey. It's got her name on it, and I have it layered with our mixed metal Sutton necklace. There's 5 different ways you can wear the Sutton necklace. You can wear it long or short, with or without the sparkle strand, and again, love having an engravable layered in the middle of a statement. It's just a really fun, personal look. Additional ways that you can complete the look with your engravable is our orbit studs. These are just a great accessory staple. There's 2 different size studs that come with these 2 items, and then you also get the little charms. You can wear each of those sizes with or without the little charm piece, and at $39, these are just a great way to finish the look, or hoops really kind of create their own unique statement in a really simple way. And then in terms of your wrist, we always say feel free to stack your wrist. More is more. So another way to personalize your wrist is our new charm bracelet. You can add custom charms to this piece. I've got the Hamza charm, which is a protection charm layered on here. I've got my birthstone, and then I've got some other great bracelets layered with it as well, including our Enlighten bracelet, where 100% of the net proceeds supports Every Mother Counts, providing critical maternal care to moms near and far. So great style for a great cause. Some additional ways to finish the look is our Katie wrap bracelet. This has been a runaway hit. It's really soft. It's a really soft leather. Gives you a layered wrist without a lot of weight. And then our breast cancer awareness boutique opened early, and in 3 days we sold over 30,000 of these adorable bracelets. We've got the rose gold Inspire bracelet and the adorable little gold elephant strength bracelet. Elephants signify good luck and strength, so this makes a great gift and supports a great cause. 100% of the net proceeds support the Noreen Fraser Foundation for Breast Cancer Awareness and Research. So if you love everything that you see that I've been posting, I will also have online catalogs that you can shop from directly into the Facebook group. If you love everything, consider hosting either an online trunk show or a trunk show in person. I love styling women, large and small groups. So think about that as well. I will be available online if you need assistance too to place your order. Just go ahead and start posting. I'll see you online. Thanks so much.